I'm coming out from the shadows, shooting straight like an arrow. Ain't nothing gonna slow me down, yeah. I'm gonna float like a cool breeze, stand taller than a palm tree. Ain't nothing gonna cut me down, yeah. I remember all the words you said, that a crazy heart can never. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, the fighter, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me Unconditionally, I will love you unconditionally. There is no fear now. Let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally. Come just as you watching me. Don't need a
Find your mirror, go and look inside and see the talent you're always hide. Don't go kid yourself, well not today. Satisfaction's not far away. Hold on now, your exit's here. It's waiting just for you. Don't pause too long, it's fading now. It's ending all too soon. When you're too in love to let it go, but if you never try, you'll never know just what you were. Lights will guide you home and ignite.
accusations, messages, and misperceptions paralyze my mind. Buses, cars, and airplanes leaving, burning fumes of gasoline, and everyone is running, and I come to find a refuge in the easy silence that you make for me. It's okay when there's nothing more to say to me. And the peace.
Okay.
The Scott School Albury, now's the time we come to the end of our journey together. Yet we really haven't, because I will always see this as my school, in fact our school. Thank you for having me as your principal. Thank you for allowing me to get to know you. The school is the most wonderful school in Australia and will continue to be. Treasure it, keep it safe, and you will see it continue to bloom and blossom. I wish you well for the future, and I look forward to coming back and assess the centenary in 2016. My love and care to each of you. Thank you.
Love like ours, you light the spark in my bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much, just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts. This world is getting colder, strangers passing by.